How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your HP monitor not turning on. So when this happens, it's really easy to fix it. The first thing that you'll want to do is to check your power cable. So from there, after reseating it and making sure that all of the debris and dirt has been removed from the plug itself, you then want to try to reset the power cable. So in order to do this, just unplug your monitor and from there wait for around 1 minute to at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and then that will make sure that all of the power has been drained out. And basically right after, you should be good to go. So from there, if it still has no power and black screen, the next thing that you want to do is to try different input sources. So in most cases, there's going to be multiple, something like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DisplayPort, and more. So in this case, you want to try to plug it in other sources. And right after, let's head over to the OSD controls. From here, just look for the video input control. And then you want to select the right input plug or port that you have used. For example, let's say HDMI 1. And so you will head over to HDMI 1 right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.